Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Dr. Christian Pascual, top 1 in the August 2010 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Christian.
Alright, kung ready na kayo, please, mag-react naman kayo, mag-thumbs up naman kayo para alam ko. A person who is below 18 years old is termed as, or is named, is called what? Diba? And there are several choices here. There are actually four: a child, a juvenile, a minor, or all of this. Actually, you might be surprised, but a child, juvenile, minor, okay, are all the same. Diba? They are considered people below 18 years old. In fact, a lot of books use them interchangeably. Okay? So when we talk about a child, it also means a juvenile, it also means a minor. Alright, sige. So let's talk about this question now. Kasi I think majority already gave their answer. So under PhDCrim, okay, which is the Child and Youth Welfare Code of the Philippines, diba? Which among the following are considered Filipino child? Diba? Sino will considered na child, diba, in the Philippines as far as the law is concerned? Kanina sinabi natin, child, juvenile, minor, they are all the same. Diba? But who is a Filipino child ba? Because different countries may have different definition of who is a child. Diba? But in the Philippines, who is a child? Um, in the Philippines, a child is a person who is below 18 years old. That's correct. That's correct. So A is correct. However, there's a twist. Hindi lang mga person below 18 years old are considered children. In fact, okay, even if you are above 18 years old, you could also be considered as a Filipino child if you are unable to fully take care of yourself against abuse, neglect, cruelty, exploitation, and discrimination because of physical or mental disability or condition. So, tandaan nyo, in the Philippines, as far as TB603 is concerned, even if you're above 18, but you cannot fully take care of yourself, of physical or mental disability, you will still be considered a Filipino child, and you will therefore be given all the rights and all the privileges that is given to a Filipino child or a person below 18 years old. Diba? But take note that aside from those who are above 18, even if you're an infant, kakapanganak mo pa lang, or kahit nasa loob ka pa lang na sinapupunan ng parents mo, diba? Yung mga unborn children, you are also considered already a Filipino child. And so you are, again, just like those who are above 18 but cannot fully take care of themselves, you're also given the rights of a Filipino child. Considered ka na as a Filipino child. So again, mga tama yung sagot dyan, okay? The correct answer here is letter B. And all of this. So all of this, please do not forget, are already considered Filipino child as far as PTC is concerned.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!